Hi, from this video, I will make several videos about interactions in Figma. I think it's such a cool feature for web development. So, from now on, in this video, I will cover basic parts of interactions, which is making an interaction and deleting the interaction. So let's dive in. So let me make a frame first. And let me make a rectangle. Let me center it. Alright. And let me copy this. And let me change the color into red. So that's it. So, and by clicking this, I made a prototype screen. So, what I want to do is this. By clicking this, I want to go here, this frame, and by clicking this frame, I want to go to this frame. That's it. So let's make it. There are several ways to make this. And the first one is this. So let's make this. By clicking frame 1, let's go to frame 2. Click this and prototype, and there's interactions, and click the plus button. And there's click none, and click this. And change it to none to navigate to. And frame 2. And we can see the arrow. On click navigate to frame 2. And I'll cover this in another video. And that's it. So by clicking, we can go to frame 2. Let's see if it really is. By clicking this, we go to frame 2. And let's do the reverse, the opposite way. So go to frame 2. And in this situation, let me use another way. You can see this circle and this plus, and you hover it, you can see the plus sign. And drag it to here. And that's it. Unclick, navigate to frame 1. And that's it. So let's check if it works. Click, 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 click. It works perfectly. So let's delete the interaction. The first one is click the interaction line, and you can see this, and click frame 1 and click the minus button. And the line is gone. Easy. The second way is this. Click the line and drag it, detach it, and it's gone. Easy. The third way is this. Let me make this again. Unclick, navigate to frame 2, and then click the line and press the delete button. I don't know what that is in Mac. In Windows, press the delete button and it works. So let's check. It does not work, and it does not work. So thanks for watching. Bye.